In this video, I'm going to show you how to improve microphone sound quality in Windows or PC. So I'm pretty sure you can hear me well, right, from this microphone. Ensure you subscribe and turn on the bell notification to this channel for lots of educational guides and content like this. Now, at first, sound quality is basically the major thing you need to have, like in your video, right, for your audience to really understand what you're saying. Now, this is the sound quality I'm using, right? So you need to click. I will click on this my sound option. You can see that the volume of this microphone is dragged till the highest, right? It is currently. If I click on it, manage audio devices, I'm currently speaking from this my microphone, too high definition microphone. If I click on my more settings, wait for it to load, you can see that I'm currently speaking from this, right? I think Shame Boy. Okay, I'm speaking from this. So I'm speaking from this right now, and you need to off this mono sound. You need to off it. If I scroll down, you can see I'll click on the more sound settings. Okay, you can see these both are talking right now. The Shame Boy. Okay, I'm currently speaking from a Shame Boy device, right? That is the input. Then the output is my headset, right? So I'm currently speaking from this Shame Boy microphone. So I would click on this more settings right now. Okay, from this more settings, if you click on the recording, if I click on the speaker, you can see I'm currently speaking from this Shame Boy. That is the input sound. Then the output is my headset. If I click on this sound, you'd come on here, you'd select this play Windows startup sound, right? Let it be on. If you scroll down, so don't adjust any of these settings. Click on this communication. When Windows detects communication activity, you'd select this first option, right? So I'm not gonna cancel any of this thing because my microphone is pretty working well for me, right? Then from your microphone, you need to off the echo, right? Check your microphone, switch the echo off, so as your voice won't be echoing in the background if you're making videos, right? Then the next thing I need to do is, if you are using the sniping tool to automatically create videos for yourself, right, you need to click on this icon. You need to off it. You can see mine is off already, so any other sounds won't be detected, right? Any other sounds won't be detected. So that is basically how I shoot videos with a very clear microphone sound quality. If you find this video helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. I'll see you guys in the very next one. If you got anything you want to ask me, do well to attach your thoughts and feedbacks below in the comment section. See you guys in the very next one.